Hi guys, just a quick review of this Black & Decker PW 1300 TD pressure washer, on sale down in Argos, down to 45 quid. So give it a try. Just a nice little pressure washer basically for washing the car down, and it comes with the lance and the detergent bottle. Quick look at what you get there. I'm totally brand new to pressure washers, so I really can't tell you other than that's obviously the handle, that's a nozzle, that's the handle that goes on top of there, which will screw on. This will screw on somewhere. This is a bracket, and you get a foamer nozzle, and this must be where you connect the water. So let me just work this out, and then I'll get back to you guys and you can see how things are. Okay guys, so we've got this on the tap, hose lock, window coming out, hose pipe, hose, another hose lock connects onto this, which is supplied. The only thing I had to do was screw this handle on and screw this on. Quite small, lightweight, very diddy. Oh, hang on. Let me just play around with that a bit more. Okay, let's give it a try. Just putting a bit of cheap car wash now into the dispense ring bottle. Then I'll fit this and give this a try. Right, let's give it a try. So if you can briefly remember what my concrete was like before, if you rewind the video a few seconds and check it out now, that's with just water, that's not with chemical, that's just with using a power lance. Obviously bins have come up lovely, doing all down the side of the house. This is all black and grey and dirty, ideal for the cars. Here we are now, it's a bit dirty, but the thing is with this machine, it looks a very small machine, but don't let that fool you, it has got some punch. I mean, this is a kind of results. Look at the difference there. So this is kind of work in progress, so I'll check back with me in a few seconds and we'll see if we can what it looks like when it's finished.